saw the service video to this Audioline 345 base station. Not as simple as I thought it was going to be. The plan was to do the power supply, do the capacitors on the radio itself, and then I thought everything was going to be okay. Now the mic which is sent with it, the proper Audioline mic, has an open circuit insert, so there's nothing I can do. We don't have any more inserts. All we have now been either sold or given away. So he'll need to have a different mic, which of course we can supply a new mic, but that might not be what he wants. So this is for the trucking and farming gentleman in Leicestershire, and let's see whether Mr. Chippie is on Mega Chippie channel. Got full 4 watts out of this radio, and I think that's all there is to say. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I am ready.
Roger that. Off we go then.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug our extension speaker in so that it sounds the same as all the other sets. I ended up having to change the meter lamp and fix the meter. And the meter lamp, somebody put a blue LED in. That really annoys me. It didn't have blue LEDs in 1981.
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, I've got a tone control.
Yep, roger that. So we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, just passing the passing place. And dogging daycare, which doesn't seem to have anybody walking dogs in it.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Roger. Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Ancaster service station, and it's shut.
Roger on that, and we're not late.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. No holding you back today. Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I'm going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on the Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on an
Audioline 345 base station, uses the Uniden chassis and it's doing a full forward output. I'm on a standard replacement microphone, over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Does it?
Level crossing. Over.
What you got? You going over Wilford level crossing?
Roger that.
Where's he got you at the Kelby turn?
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Where's he got you at the Grayleys turn?
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger on that. I'm on an Audioline PT345, which is a base station using the Uniden chassis from 1981. I'm on the standard replacement mic, so it is doing full forward output. It's running on its own rebuilt power supply, and we're going to go to low power. 54321. There we are on low power, doing 400 milliwatts. Go back to full power, and there we are back on 4 watts, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. Noisier on low power, but still no problems.
So that's kind of quiet tonight as well on the CB, so it's good. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on now.
from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the, we're now going over Rossby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over yeah, that's it.
Yep, 137.9, 144.7.
Roger, that's great. That works for 3. Thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the we're now going over Rossby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 137.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, that's great. That worked a treat. Thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that. 10-10.
Yeah, that worked great, but I did notice something. Should be an LED there. I've had the front off, so has it not gone back in the holder? Oh, is it missing? So I'll have to look at that tomorrow instead of getting on with the next set. So I'm going to go over to the base station. We'll see what that sounds like.
Tango 21 setting the audio line 345 base station into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 12345 54321. We're on a standard replacement mic. I'm going to go to low power. This is a hum test, but it won't be a hum because the set's properly designed. Here we go, 54321. There we're on low power, 400 milliwatt. Back to full power. There we are back on full power. Running on the radio's own internal power supply. So thanks for watching the Audioline PT345 from 1981.